will please come to order. Will the secretary please take the roll?
As members arrive, I took roll by taking their names off on my list.
The secretary will now read the minutes of the last meeting.
I have so files the minutes of the last meeting that I already sent to the room on this Teams meeting, everyone.
Are there any addition or correction to the minutes?
No.
No.
Okay. If not, they stand approved as written. The treasurer will now read the balance in our account.
The current balance in our treasury is $5,067.20.
Are there any correction to the treasury report?
No.
No.
Uh, if not, they stand approved as read. You will now have the committee reports. Will the chairman of the fundraising committee please report?
The Tomba fundraising from were mailed in last week. We expect delivery will be next Monday. Please listen to the announcements during home room for further information. The other fundraisers have been discussed.
Thank you. Will the chairman of the community service committee please report?
The Community Service Committee wants to remind members to bring in items to be sent to our service personnel overseas. We are planning to ship the box on Friday, so please have all items into us by Thursday. For acceptable item to ship, please refer to the poster by the door.
Thank you. Will the chairman of the education committee please report?
Okay, the Education Committee wants to read a note for the Area Senior Center. Dear students, thank you very much for volunteering your time and expertise to show us how to use Facebook to connect with our families. Not only did you provide the technical know-how, but you also showed us how to be safe online. We and our families appreciate your helping our generation understand this program. Thanks again. Sincerely, Susanna Whitebone. Not only did they enjoy this, but they would like us to come back to help them learn how to use Google Search. Those members interested should meet with us at 2:30 on Thursday.
Thank you. Is there any old business that needs to be discussed?
No.
Is there any new business need to be discussed?
Oh, I move that we have a bake sale every Monday during lunchtime.
I second it.
It has been moved and seconded that we have a bake sale every Monday during lunch. Is there any discussion?
I think Mondays will be difficult for people to remember to bring in items. I move to amend the motion to be on Friday instead.
Do I hear a second?
Second.
It has been moved and seconded to amend the original motion to be on Friday instead of Monday. Discussion?
It makes more sense. Also, there are quite a few days off of school on Monday due to in-service and holidays. This way we'd have more days to sell food.
I agree that Fridays are better. It's easier for me to bake something on Thursday than Sunday.
Is there any further discussion?
No,
Hearing none, all those in favor of changing the bake sale day of the week from Monday to Friday, say A.
A.
hey,
All those opposed, say nay. The amendment to the original motion has been passed. Is there any further discussion on the motion?
No.
Uh, Hearing none, we will now vote. All those in favor of holding bake sale every Friday at lunch, say A.
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 hey.
All those opposed, say nay. Is there any further new business? Uh,
No.
No,
okay. There is one announcement for the member. A group photo will be taken for the yearbook on Wednesday during period 4. Please remember to dress appropriately. Officer, you need to wear your jacket. Our next meeting will be Thursday, period 5. Do I hear a motion to adjourn?
So move.
Seconded.
It has been moved and seconded to adjourn this meeting. All those in favor of adjourning say
A.
A.
All those opposed say nay. Meet is adjourned. Thank you so much for this meeting. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Everyone.